So it's the end of the day. I'm waiting for an electrician to come. Hopefully he'll do our electrics. And I'm sitting here and I'm like, what's that? That little box back there. Nobody's talked about it. Haven't really investigated it. So I went over and investigated. This little box here that is just sitting there. Is where they've hidden the propane for the gas that goes. It goes just up the wall and goes in there through there and goes to the gas burning stove inside. That's our gas connection. That is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. I guess we don't have to call a gas company though. Which now is making me wonder about the gas stove that's out in the party room. There's a gas stove out there too. So I'm going to go investigate that as well. So here we are at the party room. I don't know if you can see it all the way in the back there. Let's see. Is a gas stove. Now, out here is a hose. There. And that hose then runs literally just like strung along the side of the fence. Let's see here. It goes all the way down the fence. Can you see it behind the tree there? And prickers! I'm gonna go to the other side of the building and see where it leads. So I'm trying to find where that gas line went. I don't know. Well, let's see. Halfway down the building here. What is this? What is this? Is it conduit for something? I swear this place has just got hidden secrets everywhere. So let's see. I see no gas pipe anywhere. I see a pipe here. Don't know what that pipe does there. But there's that conduit. Seems to have a cable in it. I see the gas pipe now. Right there. That's the gas pipe. So the gas pipe is coming down here. It goes in there. So that one seems to be connected to actual gas. But then what is this conduit? There's a cable running through it that starts there or ends there and goes all the way along, connects to something here, goes all the way along the wall. Ow! Boogers! And this conduit goes all the way down here and just ends here. It just ends right before the end of the wall. I wonder what's on the inside at that point. So this is where that conduit ends on the outside, and it's not, nothing comes through. I mean, there's another conduit here, but this conduit is very clear what it is, which is, it's an interior electric line, but it should be right there, should be coming through right there, and it's not. Oh, this place is just full of wonders. Mostly I'm wondering why they did whatever they did.
I don't have the right tools for the job.
I don't think. Back with the right tool.